everyone, this is Ina with Innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making quick and easy appetizer, Sun-Dried Tomato Tapenade. For this quick and easy and delicious appetizer we need sun-dried tomatoes, and they are dry, not packed in oil. Smells so good. Pistachio, parmesan, garlic, juice of lemon, 1 lemon, olive oil, pesto, dry oregano, also roasted bell pepper, salt and pepper. That's it. Very quick and simple. You'll see it's no time. You can whip up and serve with your crostini. Sometimes I like to mix to my pasta dishes. Also smear on just plain baked potato. It's delicious. Quick, easy, and it's so handy to have around to serve for your unexpected guest or whichever you prefer. If you're watching me regular, I already posted black olive tapenade. It's also delicious, and I hope you'll check that recipe. It's easy to make as well, just few ingredients required. But for this recipe, sun-dried tomato, it's a star of this dish, and they are dry, so we need to hydrate them. They give so much flavor and smell a lot good, has deep umami flavor. That's what I call natural MSG. And another ingredient in this recipe, which is give umami flavor, is parmesan. Good quality parmesan, it's must. And let's leave those tomatoes to hydrate for 15 minutes. And let's check for the consistency. Oh yeah, it looks perfect. It's exactly what you want, except I like slightly creamy. So at this point, since we used a little bit of oil from our roasted pepper to hydrate tomatoes, I like to add olive oil and juice of lemon as much as to your taste. So I like to drizzle, depends where you're going to use, and it's anywhere between 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of olive oil. Depends how loose you want to have your tapenade, or you can leave as it is and just keep in a jar and pour on top olive oil, kind of sealed, and will keep for about a month, about 1 month in your refrigerator, if it lasts that long. In my house, it never lasts. It's so good. It's so yummy. So let's drizzle a little bit and see. Little bit of black pepper, freshly ground, of course. It makes such a big difference. A little bit of Celtic salt. Beautiful. Let's give it a taste. So good. So good. My lemon was big, so I used only half, but if you have small lemon, use whole. And again, it's up to your taste. If you like more zesty, add more little bit of chili pepper flakes, whatever you feel. It's great base for many sauces, or I like to eat on bread. Let me show you. Time to taste. And I like to drizzle a little bit more additional olive oil. Never heard good quality olive oil, and for this recipe, use your best. And this bread, or crostini, whichever you prefer, even cracker, wherever you like. And this is my bread. I will a sourdough bread with flax seeds and molasses. It's so delicious, and I will link below this recipe how to make. Oh yeah, so delicious. From pistachio, from sun-dried tomato, has so much flavor, and parmesan. It just comes together and married all those ingredients once you go for seconds. It's so delicious. I promise you will like this recipe. And I hope you enjoy this video, and give me like and subscribe. And as always, on end of the end of the video, we're checking what we're going to make next time. Omelette. Thanks for watching. Please share with your friends, and bye. See you next time.